going live here with our first trade right out of the gate. We're extended here on the lower B4 indicators. The B4 bars at 210. It usually gets to about -3. That being said, we're going to bring this down a little more. Seeing that we're probably at support.
Stub filled.
Takes us out. We're going to turn off the strategy for right now. Pause it. See where we're at. We are. Yeah, we're at our bracket level, covering up our bracket right now with the price. That's one of our support areas, and we're very on trading view, and we're very close to our 64.34.25 level, which is a support level for us. Okay. I have my strategy paused because I'm good with that one good trade for the day. I could turn that back on. There's some bullish momentum coming in this move. But like I said, I'm happy where I'm at today. Yeah, guys, this is our B4 CoPilot right here. This is complete automation. We have a trader dashboard here where you can risk management, trade management. I could place resting orders on the chart very easily. Buy when the candle turns green or red, break even, flatten all. The important thing about this is you can flatten all without exiting your strategy. That's a problem sometimes with a lot of your indicators. You don't have a way to get out of everything without it restarting your strategy, whatnot. We take care of that here with that flatten all. You have a complete trader dashboard here. All these different signals. You have different combinations of whatever you would like to do here. All these wonderful order flow signals. A lot of them proprietary to B4. Some of them you may be familiar with your PB reversals, bulldozers, delta divergence, delta tail, flip, sweep, surge. Those are typical things you see in industry standards. We have all of those. Of course, some of them have our own little take on that, our own proprietary blend. But for the most part, industry standard signals that you'll normally see in order flow. Now, some of you may be familiar with these. This is our B4 Footprint Pro. We have that on our B4 Uniranko style candles. They're set at 210 right now. That's what you're seeing here. And some of you that's maybe more familiar. You may be more familiar. Come here, Ninja Trade. Maybe more familiar looking at it like that. We have that on our B4 Algo. Sorry about that, guys. Ninja, you're just, yeah, don't want to say nothing publicly here about it, but anyway, yeah, here you go. There's our algo. You can see we got a roadmap every day of what we're looking at. This is our these dots you see here, these green dots, red dots. That is our that's our brackets. And so we have our roadmap, we have our plan, if-then analysis and plan every day for our trading. There's a scenario sell setup telling us to look ready for a confirmed move. We have certain criteria that we load the wagon with whenever we know the trade is right. We have a technique that we teach to manage trade management, risk management, whatever. We have a trade setup every day, either bullish or bearish, waiting for us with the roadmap, and not only the roadmap, but the particular timing, levels of support and resistance for that particular segment of time in the market. So we have a full layout here. We have the lower B4 indicator. It is it's extremely accurate. You notice I called the bottom of this move a while ago because I knew that we were at a squeeze and we were extended to the -3 side right here. We knew that that was time for a potential bullish move, and that's what happened here. I could have scalped that. I'm still feeling bearish because of our initial call here, and because of our CVD giving us that direction, and because we broke out of a squeeze here. This is our I got two indicators here. One is my little channels here. It's something that I'm working on, but it gives some nice, whenever some volume comes into the market, gives some nice warnings there. But this B4 squeeze is very, very valuable. We use that for breakout moves. When you see it turned red, whenever price passed through there and it pushed through that zone, that's our squeeze zone right there. Guys, this is just our Ichimoku. I use Ichimoku in everything that I do. I'm using it on a 3-minute chart here. These are our KISS dots. There's timing in the market. There are things that are expected at certain times in the market to go to certain levels. And we use the KISS dots to anticipate that, and that worked out perfectly. Here's after a couple candles late, but the principle the same. It's a thumb. You put a thumb on it. It's an approximation of what's supposed to happen in the market when we're supposed to expect pullback. So we're not chasing that trade. When we get those KISS dots, we're trailing the trade. That's how we use those KISS dots. We should have been trailing this trade instead of chasing the entry of it. We should have been trailing this trade instead of chasing the entry. Same here, same here, same here. I shouldn't have been getting short. I should have been trailing. We have a complete methodology of how to use these KISS dots. You'll see that they're very valuable. I use it every day in my trading. I turned the system off. This would have got us in short. I've already done enough this morning. I'm not going to worry about all of that. I was going to take a short day today, and that's good reason to do so. So, yeah, I will be taking care of some business today. But guys, this is our B4 system. This is it on NinjaTrader. We have some other tools that are only on our trading view. We teach some very in-depth techniques. You'll see a lot of things out there that's supposed to be simple and supposed to be this great return and all this and that strategies. Guys, it takes knowledge, it takes dedication, it takes commitment to trading. that you can get a system out there that's just going to trade and get in and get out for you. But if you don't know why or what, I don't understand some people. You need to know what's going on. You need to be able to see things. You need to be able to measure things. You need to be able to measure your risk, your reward, understand the principles of why it's doing what it's doing. Course that teaches you. Whenever you sign up with us, we have the B4 AMP. We're now putting that out and making it eligible for college credits. We're going nationwide with that, partnering with universities. We've had a lot of people that's gone through our course and they're doing very well with it. So we decided to open up the doors and open it up to colleges. So we have our B4 partnership that we're doing. We have that available. Also have our B4 funding guide. Reasons why traders can't succeed in the market is because they're under B4 funding available for you. There's different approaches to funding. Some of them you have these $20 and $30 difference. Take your money. That's all. We have a real opportunity for you guys. It's not as hard to most of these other prop firms. It's very spend a lot of time. We want to make sure whenever we put together and made an offering to the public, it was something that was fair. We have to sleep at night. I can't sleep at night if I'm offering you Mission Impossible, something that's just going to take your money. We didn't do that. We spent a lot of time and research on our offerings. We spent a lot of time and research on our offerings for B4 funding.